Hello guys, it's me, Anela. Guys, I have this collection na, my collection, and I watch the movie, and it's then the movie. It's so loud, the TV, yeah, and I'm slowly, the sound, so, yeah, and this is the toy. This is the toys and this is the paper. Yeah, and small things. I have a small things and this is cards and papers and stickers. Yeah. And this is the toy and this is my favorite toys and squishies. And
na magbayad ba yung 3,000 ba yung per year? Iya kay sugalan lagi na.
This is my squishies collection. And this is a dumpling. I look like real dumpling, not like this. Yeah. This is another squishy. Yeah, in here the Philippines. And I have glitters. I don't have purple one and pink one and blue one. I'm pick the blue one. It's a taba and let's put it and this my favorite stickers. This butterfly stickers and flowers. Oh my god, rose. Yeah. And the toys one, this is brand new stamp. Yeah, and this is brand new. You see it? It's real life. You see it. I look like a camera. You not see it. Just a little bit. You see the red. And come. That's my dad. He is a research. Yeah, YouTube.
AI.
This beans. This is old now, and this is a snake. And let's see a small thing. My leaf. My leaf. And you got my lip. And
babae lagi, ano siya,
yeah, talk sa Filipino, Tagalog and Bisaya. Yeah, you not understand the saying my dad.
Income lang siya tungod ani lagi. Matura ka chat GPT, chat ka nga. Chat ka nga. Viral Kids AI video prompt. Kanang prompt kay murag instruct nimo ba unsay mo kahimo bitaw sa video. Wata din si chat GPT. O prompt na taas kay acute be niya kay acute. Acute sabi ta they're wearing colorful overalls discovers a magical rainbow playground. Yeah, din ang copy paste din diri sa vidrush.ai. Ibuhatan din sa vidrush og video.
This is my favorite.
Imo na din i-upload sa Facebook.
This is the worst squishy is getting old and is boring.
Ikaw na imo sa imo na nimong channel i-upload naghimo lang kag video. Wala na edit na yapon ka CapCut.
This is the
pero pinagi sa vidrush kay wala na kay hassle siya
this is my favorite and this is my hard squishy. Yeah.
Namay isa ling na sa website bayad vidrush kay niyo naman.
Okay guys, bye.